Show you how you can register for sessions for our full day professional development on November 6th. All of the sessions except for the keynote are limited, so the sooner that you log in and get registered, the more likely it will be for you to get the sessions that you would most like. So the first thing you're going to do is click on this little graduation hat, PD tracking. And you'll go over to this tab, Available Events. And you'll see the listing for all of the sections for our full day PD. The first thing you want to do is register for the keynote. And this is important not because you won't get a seat, but because you will ensure that you get your extra PDPs for attending. So I just typed in keynote into the search and I get the keynote. What you're going to do is click on the little person icon over here. And whenever you see these, it will give you information. I'll show you how you can get more information for some of the other ones. But for the keynote, there's really no other choices. So you're going to go ahead and enroll. And you'll get this green button. Go ahead and click enroll. And you'll see under my activities, it will show up there. So you're all set for that. Then you can go back to available events. And what I recommend is clicking on title because a lot of these are repeats. So if there's something that you see in the morning, it might be available during the day. You can see by the times which ones are morning sessions, which ones are afternoon sessions, and which ones are full day sessions. There's no way that I can sort it by time, so you just have to look at these different titles. But you'll see that if it says 10:30 to 2:30 p.m., that is a full day course. And then if you take that, that's the only other thing you're going to need to register for. If you're going to do a morning session that's from 10:30 to 12, you'll also want to sign up for a 1 to 2:30 session. And you don't want that to be the same thing. But if you sort it by title, you'll see that this one, for example, Tools for the Toolbox, runs both in the afternoon and in the morning. So you can see what you'd like to do. There are only a few sessions that only are in one part of the day. To find out more about the session, I'm going to choose this one through your student's eyes. Click on it and it will give you the description. If you click on even more, it will tell you who the presenters are, as well as the recommended audience. So if I wanted to go ahead and register for that one, again, I would click on the little person icon, click on enroll, click on the green button. When you go to my activities later, you'll see that it's there. So since I did a morning session, I'm also going to want to register for an afternoon session. But again, if I only register for the 3-hour, which is the 10 o'clock to 2:30 slot, then that will be the only other thing you'll have to register for in addition to the keynote. I will also write these instructions down. If you have any questions, you can always email me at heather.brown@eastlongmeadowmass.gov.